Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to teach you all about some basic hotkeys that will really help you in creating your videos here in iMovie. Now, why are hotkeys so important? Well, as you can see here, I have some video clips from my trip to Adelaide in Australia that have been in iMovie for a while and I need to edit them. And some hotkeys can save a lot of time. They make the editing process smoother and quicker, even if you don't do a lot of editing. There are so many hotkeys that you can use, but I'll show you some of the basic ones I use regularly. I don't want to overwhelm you with too many hotkeys, just the essential ones to get you started. Let's start with the basics. The first hotkey is I key, which starts your clip. When you hover over your video clip, a white line appears. You can see this line here, and you click the I key, and you can see here it started the clip at a certain point. And the next one that you use is the O key, so you can click there and click the O key, and that ends the clip in that certain point. To add this clip to the timeline, you click the E key, which drops it there. You can see there we click the space button and it plays the one we just put in. So we'll do this with another clip. I was in Adelaide by the cricket stadium in the downtown, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over this clip. You can see the stadium there. So I want to get the stadium here, so I'm going to click I. Then I'm going to pan around. And we're going to end it here and we'll go O. Now we'll press the E key and that'll put it on the timeline. Then we'll go to the now you see we have a couple clips on the timeline. They transition smoothly from another. So I'll hit the space bar. You can see the transition. A very important hotkey is the Command Z. This is an undo function. So if we click the Command Z, it deletes that clip from the timeline. If we go up to the Edit menu, which is up here, you can see next to all these things is the hotkeys. Undo add is Command Z. Command Z to redo add. Cut is Command X. Copy is Command C. Paste is Command V. Delete is Delete key. Duplicate is Command D. Select all is Command A. And X is to select the entire clip. You can select and deselect all is up Command A. And E is add to movie. Q is add connected media. Insert is W. Command plus T is cross dissolve. I have another couple of hotkeys I want to share with you before we move on to something else. So you got this clip here. I'm going to click there. I'm going to go I. I'm going to scroll here and go O. So there's another one is a forward space, and that's going to play the selection. And we go backspace, and that plays that whole clip from start to fourth and doesn't play that selection. I've got another couple shortcuts I want to show you. This one's for the timeline. So if you go Command equals, you can see there it speeds up makes the timeline bigger, and if you do Command minus, it moves it back. So now I'll show you this hotkey to mute a clip. So if we go here, so we've got this B-roll at the top, so we'll click on this bottom clip here, and to mute a clip you go Command Shift M, and if you play it, that bottom clip will be muted. And if we want to reinstate it, we just go Command Shift M again, and you can see there it's brought back the volume again. So we'll go play that. Go do that. Yeah, so that's a good way for muting clips. There are many more hotkeys under the View menu, but it's not necessary to memorize them all, but they can, however, help you speed up your editing. So if we go up here, we click View. So there's that forward slash that we showed before, and the backslash. Up, Command F is play full screen. Loop playback is Command plus L. If we go zoom in, Command equals into Command minus, which we showed before. That's for that timeline. To zoom all clips, we go up Z. Snapping is N, and audio skimming is up and S. I hope you have found this tutorial helpful. Hotkeys can make your video editing so much more efficient. If you have any questions or want to learn more, stay tuned for more future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this channel. Thank you. Have a good day.